Welcome to the daily message on this Monday of the fourth week of Lent. The readings for this week all focus in one way or another on the theme of newness, new things. And of course, Lent is a time of preparation on our part for the newness of life, the fullness of life that we celebrate in the resurrection, and the newness of life and the fullness of life to which we are called as followers of Christ. Today's first reading from the prophet Isaiah is understood in the context of the return of the chosen people from Babylon. And in this reading, God says, I am about to create new heavens and a new earth. The things of the past shall not be remembered or come to mind. Instead, there shall always be rejoicing and happiness in what I create. So when I read this reading, and as I thought about it, I thought about the new reality that is evolving as we make our way through the COVID-19 pandemic. We are in a situation now where more and more of us are being vaccinated, where we're able to see kids and grandkids, be with friends who have been vaccinated. And we hope that sometime this year, we will be able to return to some kind of normalcy of life. Although I think we now know that our lives will never be normal, so to speak, again, that we're in the midst of a new reality. And I think, if anything, this past year may have taught us that the things that we took for granted in the past should never be taken for granted. Hugs from kids and grandkids, being together with friends, being able to share a meal together indoors. And so this reading, I think, and the new COVID reality that is unfolding before us should, I think, inspire us to be grateful, to give thanks to God for this new earth that is coming our way.